You are so beautiful. So I am almost finished packing for my trip. I'm bringing 3 bags. I'm so excited. It's like 12 and I need to go to sleep because I have to wake up at 5, but I'm ready, almost. This is what my ticket looked like, and here is a view of the dock. I ended up taking the Jet Express from Port Clinton to Put Bay. This was my first time on any sort of boat, and I think I got a little seasick, but besides that, it was pretty nice. So excited to be here. It's so surreal. Here is what my room looks like. I really like the walls. The walls are really pretty. I stayed in the Historic Park Hotel. The room was nice, but didn't have its own bathroom. The showers in the bathrooms were communal, but it didn't bother me that much. And here's me still in my work clothes. I need to change. The room is really cute. I'm really happy. It's smaller than what I expected. Look at the lighting. So here's my first outfit. Y'all peep the Skechers. They match my outfit pretty well, I think. I arrived in the evening, so I decided that for the rest of my first day, I would walk around, try to figure out where things were, window shop, and see what I could find. The various shops had a lot of different wares and interesting things to look at, and it was fun to look around. So I'm walking around and I have stumbled across a resale shop. It's closed, but I'm definitely gonna come back here later. Here is a little historical museum. And this is the room after I have done my damage to it. It got messy pretty quick. This is what I am going to wear tomorrow, which is Saturday. That's what I'm gonna wear Sunday. But I wasn't able to find where the beach is. So I don't know if they have a beach, which I'm kind of disappointed about, but I'll figure it out. It is a little early to go to sleep or be in for the night. It's only like 8 something, but here to sightsee, look at some flowers, just take in the nature and relax. Here is the first outfit for today, my Converse. Right now it's 7:30 and I'm gonna go explore the island. I added a little brooch. I thought it looked so cute with the belt. Cute. So there was muffins out and the owner was like, yeah, these are for the guests. So I took one. It's really good. While I was walking around in the morning, I found a cute little area to take pictures in, so I set up my tripod, and that's what I did. I ended up with a lot of good photos of myself. After that little photo shoot, I resumed walking around the island and enjoying the morning, and I walked to the bike rental place, which was actually pretty far. So I decided to take a shortcut and I ended up in the woods, but it's all good because there's a road right there. Oh, oh shoot, that's a spider web. Everything here is so beautiful. After walking through the woods and securing my bike, I decided to take the tour train. Everybody got off the tour train, so I'm the only one on it right now.
As we come out of the Choo building, and that stands for Valentine's Dollars. You will hear me speak of them a lot today. Very, very influential businessmen on the island. Their yacht was the full of the tourists on the island.
After the ride was over, I hit the resale shop that I saw earlier. I'm not a really big car person, but they had an antique car museum that was free, so I decided to check it out. My allergies are acting up because you can tell my eyes are a little pink. But so far it's been really cool. Next up on the list of places for me to go was the butterfly house. This one's being shy. It's not showing me its wings, but on the inside of it, it's blue. Hey, buddy. After watching the butterflies fly around, I was a little hungry, so I went to the dairy aisle. And I'm not a picky eater, but the burger was not that good, unfortunately. I bought a ticket to tour the Crystal Cave and tour a winery, so that's what I did next.
To dig a well for the Hyman family, and when you head back up, just take a look up, you'll see it. More or less, they broke through the crust of this geode expecting to find water. I am sure they're a little bit surprised to see all of this instead. Hopefully none of them have been put there.
Keep roasting right now. Our winemaking process in the fall, where we hand pick all of our grapes. Works, and they're trying to keep that cork wet. With ours, though, you don't have to worry about that. All of our wine bottles can stand straight up.
The second crystal cave I went to after the first crystal cave in the wine tour was just as cool, if not cooler. After that, I did some more biking around in search of a beach. And I ended up going to Macy's Preserve, which was really beautiful. We're at the end of Macy's Trail. Here is the Lobster Bisque that is renowned. Oof, I look a little rough. It tastes pretty good. This is after after day 2. I'm going to clean up. Day 2, put in bay. Oh wait, no. Day 3. When we lose our tripod, we improvise. Why is it like this? That's good enough for now. Still on the quest to find sand. Look at all this lushness. Just beautiful. Oh, we found some sand. Turns out the water over here is dirtier or more murky than the water where the rocks are, so I'm going back to the rocks. But it was a very pretty walk, as you can see. Hello, snake. Oh, I scared him off. After frolicking around like a little forest nymph, I decided to go to the Nature and Wildlife Center. I didn't plan on going here because taxidermy kind of freaks me out, but by this point I was running out of things to do, so I decided why not. The fit for the fireworks. Currently 9:03 a.m. There are barely any humans around, which is how I like it. And my ferry doesn't leave until 11, so we're gonna do one more thing, which is visit the chocolate cafe and museum. First, I stopped by the Pascal's for a little breakfast, and then I was on my way.
Big movie, it was a musical. I had never been introduced to
And that's everything I did on my stay at Penn Bay. If you're ever in Ohio, you should definitely check it out, and I hope you enjoyed watching this.